Welcome to my Beauty Supply Slay series. My name is Wynne. I'm a content creator who specializes in showing you guys how to get salon quality hair at home. In each episode, I'll show you a new hairstyle that you can achieve using hair from your local beauty supply store. I believe that every girl should be able to slay their own hair in a pinch and on a budget. And with my tips, tricks, and product recommendations, you'll be ready in no time. Hey y'all, I'm here with Bailee and I'm so excited. I'm about to get my locks done. I still have my silk press from Linden just for my length check, so y'all can see my hair grew back. Come say hey to the girls.
Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Yes, I'm excited. I'm excited to
Get
you a little drink for, you know.
In today's video, we are using the 34-inch 3x Bona Locs in the color T27. They are super long and gorgeous, and to wrap them, we're using the Pre-Fluffed hair in T27. I'm actually getting my faux locks done by another stylist for the very first time. I know that's kind of crazy, but yeah, I've literally never had my faux locks done by someone else. I've only ever done my own faux locks, so when I tell y'all I am nervous, your girl is sweating. I'm getting my hair done by Bailee. I'll leave all of her information down below in the description bar. She actually has a beauty bar out in Texas. I've actually had my hair done by another stylist in the salon, and her name's Linda. She's really cool, so love it. They have nails, they have waxing, they have so many different things, and she's the owner, so she was super duper sweet and super insightful. Loved getting my hair done by her. Y'all have seen me use the 3x pre-fluffed hair so many times before. It's great for wrapping hair wrap locks and pre-loop locks. So really great hair to have on hand, and it's pre-fluffed, pre-stretched, and pre-separated. So it saves you a lot of time when you're doing installs like this. Pretty much what she did was she parted my hair out, and then she applied edge control and braided it down about halfway with no extra extensions on it. She's coming out with an edge control soon, and it is fire. And then once she had my hair braided, she crocheted in the lock to my braid about 1 inch to 2 inches down. And then she used the pre-fluffed hair to like wrap over the base of my braid and over the lock to kind of blend everything together until she had all of my hair covered. And when I tell y'all she snapped, she snapped. I absolutely love my hair. Now, it's my first time trying Miss Bona Locs. I have never had these before. They are really nice. I love how long they are. They were super lightweight, and I think that we only ended up using about 3 packs. So this style overall is super inexpensive. They're pre-looped crochet locks, so you can install them like I'm doing today individually, or you can crochet them in. They're super lightweight, easy to install, and they come in so many different colors and lengths. My locks are really smooth at the root, which I like. I want to try to incorporate some of her techniques when I do my hair again. And it's a really simple technique because it doesn't have all those extra curls and doing all that extra. It's a very cute and simple style that I think a lot of people can pull off. And if you're wondering what hair to take to the salon, this hair is perfect. And she gave me kind of like a off-center part, which I thought was super cute, because y'all know I always do a middle part, but also I'm not trying to do a side part, and it was giving me very much like a slight difference, so I could say I did something spicy even though it was very much still in my comfort zone. Love that for me. My hair was long as hell, girl. It came down to like my knees, but it was still lightweight, really lightweight, and I cannot wait to show you guys how I styled it. on Instagram. So make sure that you guys are following me over there, because I have a reel coming out soon where I show you how I put it in a high ponytail, a bun, half up, half down, a little claw clip, so many different cute styles. So definitely make sure that you're following me so you can see how I style these locks, because girl, couldn't put it all in one video. And as you can see, we're working our way up to the top, and to secure the hair at the end, she uses a little bit of nail glue. And then she goes in with her scissors and kind of trims off any flyaways and stuff like that. So everything looked really, really nice and polished at the end, which I enjoyed. It's actually way different from how I normally do my hair, which I love, because I feel like I got like a fresh take on it. And to see someone else's technique on my hair was actually pretty cool, because I'm like, I don't know, I need to spice things up. I definitely got super inspired by getting my hair done by her, and I hope that you guys like how it came out. Let me know what you guys think below in the comments. She's applying a little bit of styling lotion to my hair just to kind of, lay down any flyaways, and a little bit of hairspray as well. Then she went in with her new edge control that'll be out really, really soon, and laid my baby hairs. As y'all can see, she went to town, girl. And this is the finished look. I hope that you guys really enjoy it, and I will see you guys in the next episode. Bye, babes. Top the roof and let the smoke clear.